to counter Chinese Indian Navy to purchase hundreds of anti-ship missiles. The global tender is to be issued during first half of 2018. Several global firms are already in talks with Indian defense companies for manufacturing anti-ship missiles. The Indian Navy has formally started the process of acquiring anti-ship missiles which can hit a target at medium range. On Tuesday, the Indian Navy issued requests to the global vendors inviting their interests in supplying approximately 270 combat, 40 practice, 10 training, 6 dummy and 4 cut-section medium-range anti-ship missiles and 24 systems for fitment on board ships. India intends to soon finalize the deal with a global missile manufacturer willing to offer transfer of technology so that such missiles can be manufactured under the Make in India program. Indian government is desirous of licensed production of equipment after acquiring TOT in the case. Vendor is to indicate willingness to provide TOT, know-how and know-why, along with exact scope that can be provided in each area, missile/missile subsystem/launchers/loading gear/fire control system etc., reads a document of the Indian Navy. The Indian Navy has indicated that it will conduct field evaluation trials to facilitate early finalization of the deal. The global tender is to be issued during first half of 2018 and India expects quick delivery. As per India's new defence procurement policy, the vendor will be required to invest 30% of the total deal value in an Indian project. India has indicated that the quantity of requirement may go up further in accordance to extant requirements of the Navy and that the firms must provide option clause wherein the buyer can exercise an option to procure an additional 50% of the original contracted quantity in accordance with the same terms and conditions of the present contract. Meanwhile, Indian Navy has indicated that it will conduct field evaluation trials to facilitate early finalization of the deal. According to sources, several global firms are already in talks with Indian defense companies for manufacturing anti-ship missiles. Last month, Pune-based Kalyani Strategic Systems Ltd signed a joint venture agreement with Israel Aerospace Industries for manufacturing anti-ship missiles and command and control systems. Earlier, in April, Reliance Defense entered into a strategic partnership agreement with South Korean defense major LIGNEX-1 to explore the opportunities to manufacture anti-ship missiles. LIGNEX-1 is an emerging leader in smart heavy weapons in the category of anti-ship missiles and anti-tank guided missiles. In March this year, the Indian Navy used Exocet SM-39, a French-built anti-ship missile, for the maiden missile firing test by the locally built Calvary-class submarine. After the successful firing, Indian Navy confirmed that all the 6 Scorpeni, Calvary-class submarines would be equipped with Exocet SM-39. Weighing 650 kg, 6.5 meter long high subsonic Exocet SM-39 is long-range, all-weather missile capable of operation against all classes of warship. MBDA, its manufacturer, claims the missile has high hit probability against moving targets and that it can hit any target in extremely short time with full freedom of maneuver.